I saw and believed in a dream of stock markets. I wanted to make my career in stock markets, and no college was helping me in doing that. So I decided I am not going to go to college. I was scared, but I was convinced that I am going to make it. With time, I lost all money in stock markets and lost all confidence in myself. इतनी आसानी से अपने बचपन के सपने को तो गिव अप नहीं कर सकते बॉस. जब आपको लगता है ना कुछ उम्मीद नहीं है, कुछ सही हो नहीं रहा और कुछ होगा भी नहीं, तब कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है जो आप कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते थे. You know, if I can only tell you one thing that I've learned in life is that I vividly remember in my school when I was in 9th grade, as usual, I had scored the lowest in my class. My teacher came into the classroom and said, Harsh Goyla, stand up. What is wrong with you? Why can't you understand simple things? I just stood there with my head down in shame, wherein all my classmates were laughing in the background. This was a normal school day for me. You know, I was convinced that I can do nothing and life has nothing good in store for me. पर हो सकता है unknowingly मेरे पापा ने मेरे जहन में एक चीज डाल दी थी और इस चीज का नाम था स्टॉक मार्केट्स. As I was growing up, stock markets, it gave me a purpose. Stock markets gave me a vision. Stock markets gave me a dream. Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Goyla. I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets and this is my story. बचपन से ही I was very shy, very introverted. वो होते ना कुछ लोग जो सिर्फ अपने माँ बाप से ही बात कर पाते हैं, मैं उन्हीं में से एक था. Now in school, I was neither good at studies, nor sports, nor any co-curricular activities. And because of my introverted nature, I could not even make friends. पढ़ाई मुझसे होती नहीं थी, होमवर्क में कर पाता था नहीं, टीचर्स बहुत डांटती थी. Because of which I saw that my classmates started to bully me. I am sitting at my classroom and randomly students would start throwing chalk. और अगर कभी आपको चौक इधर लगा ना, दोस्त लगती है. When I was not looking, they would take my bag and throw it out through the class window. Walking in the corridor, somebody would come and just rip out my shirt pocket. घर जाके my mom used to ask me, हर्ष फिर से शर्ट की पॉकेट फटी है? अरे यार मॉम, हम दोस्त ऐसे ही मजे मारते हैं. अब मॉम को कैसे बता दूं that her elder son is an absolute loser in school. You know, life बहुत अनएक्सपेक्टेड होती है. जब आपको लगता है ना कुछ उम्मीद नहीं है, कुछ सही हो नहीं रहा और कुछ होगा भी नहीं, तब कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है जो आप कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते थे. And that's what happened with me when my father gave me the biggest gift of stock markets. My father, being an investor, in random conversations, he used to share things about stock markets, that how companies are listed here, how share prices move, how investors and traders make profit. I used to be in complete awe with that world. You know, मैं जिद कर I used to go to the stockbroker's office with my dad. Friends तो थे नहीं, तो ऐसा तो था नहीं कि that I was missing out hanging out with someone else. So I used to hang out with my dad. I used to listen to my dad talking to his friends about stock markets, try imitating him reading the Economic Times. I was trying to figure out what was going on all those computer screens with those graphs and those red and green lights. It was beautiful. You know, उस समय मुझे ऐसा लगता था that this is my world. मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि भाई मैं तो इधर ही रहूंगा. This is what I will do no matter what happens. That day, I saw and believed in a dream of stock markets. पर सोसाइटी भी ना आपको वो चीज करने से मजबूर करती है जो उनके हिसाब से सही हो. So I was pushed into that rat race. And like everyone, in 12th, I started running after good grades and good colleges. सबकी तरह मैंने भी बहुत पढ़ाई की. I got 79% marks. अब I wanted to make my career in stock markets and no college was helping me in doing that. So I decided I am not going to go to college. सबने एडवाइस दी, हर्ष स्टॉक मार्केट्स इज अ गैम्बल. हर्ष स्टॉक मार्केट्स ये अमीरों का गेम है. दिस इज अ रिच मैन्स गेम. व्हाट विल यू डू हियर? स्टॉक मार्केट्स कैन बी योर हॉबी, नॉट योर करियर. मम्मी ने बोला बेटा देख ले, कॉलेज नहीं जाएगा लोग क्या बोलेंगे. जब आप कोई बड़ा सपना देखते हो ना, उस सपने के साथ आता है बहुत सारा डर और सेल्फ डाउट। ये नहीं हुआ तो, ये नहीं कर पाया तो, ये प्लान काम नहीं किया तो। But at that time, you have to realize that you cannot let your fears overpower your dreams. I was scared, but I was convinced that I am going to make it. I did not allow my fear to overpower my dreams, and I chose my dreams. I knew it wasn't going to be easy, and I was ready to work hard for it. So college to मैं गया नहीं. I asked my dad, Dad, give me 25,000 rupees and consider this to be the college fees. He agreed and he gave me the money. Now, with 25,000 rupees in my pocket and big dreams in my eyes, I entered the world of stock markets. Now, as an 18-year-old, I knew much more about stock markets than other 18-year-olds at that time. But what I realized, that the world of stock market seems glamorous from outside, but in reality, it is very different. It was a complete chaos. I started coming across big words like interest coverage, debt equity, market capitalization. I had no idea what they mean. I went on the internet. I thought the best way is to copy strategies. और काफी टाइम तक मैंने इसको ट्राई किया, काफी महीनों तक ये चला. But I used to get so much information that I used to get even more confused. Then I started taking tips from family members, tips from television, tips from stockbrokers. And there were times where I made decent profits, I won't lie to you. But there were days and months together where I did not make anything. Rather, I lost money. 1.5 साल बीत चुका था. I had given my everything to stock markets, each and every ounce of energy, and I had nothing to show for. उस समय I remember मैं सोचता था कि शायद लोग सही बोलते हैं, ये शेयर बाजार नहीं है, सट्टा बाजार ही है. With time, I lost all money in stock markets and lost all confidence in myself. I thought, let me do a job. Stock markets ने हरा ही दिया था और मुझे लगा जॉब करूंगा तो एटलीस्ट माँ बाप ये तो बोल पाएंगे कि उनका लड़का कहीं जॉब कर रहा है. So I did a job, and after a year doing a job, I realized two very important things about myself. First, I was not happy at a 9 to 5 job. And second, I realized that stock markets is not a hobby for me. Stock markets ना मेरे खून में है. I cannot live without it. I cannot breathe without stock markets. I had to get back into it. मैंने सोचा इतनी आसानी से अपने बचपन के सपने को तो गिव अप नहीं कर सकते बॉस. जब आप कोई सपना देखते हो या आप कोई ड्रीम सेट करते हो या टारगेट सेट करते हो, you have to know that you will face challenges, you will drop down on your face flat, but you cannot give up. You cannot let your failures allow you to dictate your dreams. I thought, ठीक है, फेल हो गए ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I wanted to give it another shot. I left my job. I sat back home. I started analyzing all my stock markets mistake that I was making. 99 out of 100 people lose money in stock markets. And I was making the mistake like everyone else. I made the mistake of thinking that I was buying and selling on strategy, but in reality, I was trading on my emotions of greed and fear. I learned technical analysis. I learned fundamental analysis. I learned several strategies, and even after that, I failed several strategies. But with time, karte, I finally made a system wherein I used technical analysis, I used fundamental analysis, and that system reduced my scope of emotional biases. And you know what? I went back into the markets with that system, and in 2013, I hit my first multi-bagger. To put it simple words, multi-bagger is when you get 10 times the returns. When that multi-bagger happened, that day I realized something. I realized the power of your dreams. No matter what you do, no matter what your profession would be, सबकी सुनो, सबसे एडवाइस लो, बट करो वो जो तुम्हें सही लगता है, because no one knows your capabilities and potential better than you. A lot of people advise me, Harsh, stock markets, यार ये जुआ है, ये gamble है, यहां थोड़ी कमाएगा तू पैसे. Now all of those noises have turned into claps. Slowly, I started generating income through trading, and creating wealth through investing. All this while, people used to always come to me to seek guidance about stock markets. And to help people on a larger scale, I started my own stock market training institute by the name of Goela School of Finance, where we have trained more than 2 lakh people in stock markets. Also trained on behalf of Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Today, standing on the stage, it's been 10 years for me in stock markets. And I can safely say that the decision to choose my dream over everything else was the best decision ever. Was my journey easy? No. I had my fair shares of ups and downs. There were times where my fear crumpled me, and there were times when my failure had got me. I know what's the funny thing about failure? That it does not financially break you, it emotionally tears you apart. But you need to understand that you cannot give up. You cannot give up. Giving up is just not an option. You have to accept your failures, stand up again, and work towards your dream again. I am that same boy who teachers used to tell me that ये लड़का कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. And now, I am a successful investor and trader in stock markets. I am that same boy who did not go to college. And now, I have given sessions in more than 100 colleges of this country. You know, if I can only tell you one thing that I've learned in life, is that your embarrassment will become your inspiration. जिस चीज़ का लोग भी मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं ना, उसी चीज़ को देख के they'll get inspired from you. Earlier, people used to look at me and say, look at him. He's not even going to college. Now they look at me and say, wow, look at him. He's not even gone to college. No matter what you do, you will be forced into the rat race. You will feel lost. Heck, people might be even making fun of you right now while you're watching this video. But you need to understand that you need to choose your dreams, because the power of your dreams is incredible. If you have a dream, you see it and you believe it, and you don't care what other people have to think about your dream, then buddy, nothing can stop you from attaining success and coming on this stage and sharing your success story. Thank you.
Tell us what you think about this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.